Hello friends, myself Komal Shamtambe. I am studying in Zoology post-graduation. Today's my seminar topic is cancer and causes characteristics of cancer cell, which is related to cell biology. What is cancer? Cell division is a normal process in multicellular organisms. Growth and repair, replacement of dead cells, takes place as a result of cell division, mitosis, except for cells like the liver and brain cells, which rarely divides in the mature adult. Most cells undergo frequent division. Sometimes, however, cell division becomes very rapid and uncontrolled, leading to cancer. It should be clearly understood that rapid growth means a high rate of cell division for a particular cell type. It is possible for perfectly normal cell, example, the blood forming cell, to have a higher rate of division than some cancerous cell. There are some causes of cancer such as cancer syndrome, smoking, materials, alcohol, diet, obesity, viruses, bacteria and parasites, smoking and tobacco, diet and physical activities, sun and other type of radiations, viruses and other infections. Characteristics of cancer cell. Immortalization. Normal cell cultures do not survive indefinitely. For example, human cell cultures die after about 50 generations and chicken cell cultures have a much shorter life. On the other hand, transformed cell cultures are immortal and can show indefinitely. Loss of contact inhibition. Normal cells in a culture stop growing when their plasma membranes come into contact with one another. When two normal cells come into contact, one or both will stop moving and then begin to move in another direction. Reduce cell adhesion. When normal cells become cancerous, there is a change in the stickiness of their cell membrane. Normal cells lower serum requirements. Growth of normal cell in a tissue culture medium requires a high concentration of serum. Molecular changes in cell membrane components. There are several differences between the surface cell membranes of the normal and transformed cells. Increased sugar transport. Tumor cell consumes much more glucose than normal cell because they have to grow multiply. Aldolysis. In most mammalian tissue, the enzyme aldolase exists in the form of three isozymes A, B and C. Increased rate of glycolysis. In 1920s, Warburg pointed out the oxidative respiration is depressed in tumor cell. Distinguish between normal cell and cancer cell. Cell shape of normal cell is uniform, where the cell shape of cancer cell is irregular. Nucleus of normal cell is spheroid shape, singular nucleus, where the nucleus of cancer cell is irregular shape, multinucleation common. Chromatin of normal cell is fine, evenly distributed, where the chromatin of cancer cell is aggregated. The nucleolus of normal cell is single nucleolus, where the nucleolus of cancer cell is multiple in large celluli. Thank you. This is all about cancer and causes characteristics of cancer cell.